Hi everyone. Welcome to the Forexer channel. In this channel, we introduce the latest financial market strategies. In this video, we introduce a strategy with a win rate of 92%. The suggested time frame is 5 minutes and 15 minutes. I have used 3 indicators in this strategy. The Supertrend indicator gives buy and sell signals. The supply and demand indicator determines the supply and demand areas. The blue box is the demand area and the orange box is the supply area. In the settings of this indicator, you should choose the time frame of 15 minutes or 30 minutes. With these settings, the indicator draws areas with higher validity. Supply and demand is an indicator used in TradingView, which is a platform for technical analysis and trading. This indicator is based on the concept of supply and demand levels in the market, which are areas where the price has a tendency to reverse due to an imbalance between buyers and sellers. Traders can use the indicator to identify potential areas of support and resistance, as well as to determine entry and exit points for their trades. The indicator can be customized to adjust the sensitivity of the zones, and can be used in conjunction with other technical indicators and analysis techniques. The indicator plots supply and demand zones on the chart, which are identified by analyzing the price action and volume. Supply zones are areas where there is a surplus of sellers, causing the price to drop, while demand zones are areas where there is a surplus of buyers, causing the price to rise. Buy and sell pressure indicator determines the power of sellers and buyers. This indicator can determine divergence and predict the change of trend. I use it to confirm entering the buying and selling position. Traders can use the indicator to identify potential entry and exit points for their trades. For example, if the buying pressure line is above the selling pressure line, it may be a good time to enter a long position, as there is more buying pressure in the market. Conversely, if the selling pressure line is above the buying pressure line, it may be a good time to enter a short position, as there is more selling pressure in the market. In the next part, I will add indicators to the chart. Please stay with me until the end of the video. To support us, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. First, enter the TradingView site. From the Indicators tab, search for Supertrend and add it to the chart. Now search Supply-Demand Indicator and add it to the chart. Now search Buy and Sell Pressure Indicator and add it to the chart and change the settings like me. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Rules for entering a buy position. When the price reaches the demand zone, wait for the buy signal to be given and the bullish candle closes above the previous candle. You can use candlestick patterns. As you can see, the price could not cross the demand zone and tested this zone twice. Now look at the buy and sell pressure indicator. If the columns are green, we can open a buy position. Place the stop loss below the demand area. Adjust take profit risk and reward 1 by 2 or exit the position after the price reaches the supply area. It is better to use the risk-free technique. When the price fails to cross the demand zone, you should look for a buy position. Rules for entering a sell position. When the price reaches the supply area, wait for the sell signal to be given and the bearish candle closes below the previous candle. You can use candlestick patterns. As you can see, the price could not cross the supply zone and the pin bar candle indicates the weakness of the uptrend. Now look at the buy and sell pressure indicator. If the columns are red, we can open a sell position. Place the stop loss above the supply area. Adjust take profit risk to reward 1 to 2 or exit the position after the price reaches the demand zone. It is better to use the risk-free technique. In the previous video, we taught the techniques of entering a trade with a supply and demand strategy. I suggest you watch this video carefully. It will help you a lot to understand the structure of the market. I'll put a video link in the description. In the next step, I will check the buy and sell signals. Please stay with me until the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Here the price has reached the demand zone, the buy signal is given and the columns are green. I open a buy position. This was the supply area, but the price later crossed it and lost its validity. I draw this area. Pay attention, after the price hit this area, it reached the demand zone very slowly. In this situation, you should expect a strong uptrend. Here the price is in a downtrend. Buy signals are not valid. As you can see, the price has moved very slowly towards the demand area. In this situation, the possibility of changing the trend is high. Support the Forex